Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. I'm going to be doing a video analysis of why Chiefs can't play out from the back. Right? Remember, guys, in most big teams, let me say all big teams, right? When they have a technical team that has a lot of people, there is someone or analyzer ama team esizodlala now. Let's say we're playing against the Pirates, right? That person will analyze the previous games of the Pirates. Then there is someone who analyzes Tina Uguti. Are we playing the right way? Are we moving in the right position, or are we in the right positions when we play, right? So I'm going to be showing you issues with why can't they play out. But the most important thing, if you want to play out from the back, you need players that are willing to play out from the back. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. Let's start. The first minute of the game, you will see Chiefs didn't do any. They just kept the ball. They kept the ball for a minute for nothing. It's under pressure, sharp. Another problem here, Chiefs, is it's their spacing between the defenders. It's always wrong. Okay, sharp. You look at me, guy, here. You are not supposed, if the ball is on the right, you are supposed to be here. Just give yourself a space. Good mabak pass the ball. You have time, right? Sharp. Okay. Ball comes to Cross. Cross has the ball. Cross has the ball. Now, you already have Umdu making a run forward. Why Ngamnigi? And he doesn't want to come and collect the ball, right? Then play it wide to him. Okay, sharp. Here is Dupreez. Even though Dupreez is not a left winger, or it's not even a right winger, right? But Uzidela, he wants the ball. Give him the ball. Yeah? This thing of rotating Ebola, it's because you must rotate it if uvalekile on that side. If uvulekile, you play the pass. Hi. Then you have Umikai passing and moving towards the ball. No. Now watch. Why do you want to go close to your center partner? Why? Why ufunuksondela la and uqoqedile uphasa nakabi? You took all this time ukuthi basifake under pressure. Now look at the space in between. I did say the spacing between these center back is totally wrong. Look at the space here. Umigail is supposed to be here. Pass the ball early. Okay, sharp. Now, Ukuyeka gets the ball. Pass the ball here so that you can pass it there. Because you got the first, not the first touch, the pass that you got was bad. You couldn't trap it. It's fine. Pass the ball there so that the ball can go wide. Pass it here, then the ball goes there. The ball goes to the keep. Under pressure, ball goes there. We played the ball for a minute for nothing. We didn't do anything in our own half for whole 1 minute. Another one. Look at me, guy. If the ball tells you it's from the left, then you take it to the right. Just pass the ball. Yeah? Pass the ball there. Now watch Undlo. Undlo who tells Ulilepo not to come deep, because when you come here, you are closing down a space. Uzanomuntu. Watch him. He tells him, Ihamba. Right? Ba. The pass was bad, but the idea was good. Bayamnika. Nacha. Watch Ukwinika. He passes the ball. Uyasondela. Why? Why? Hey. Aye, the space, oh bafethu. Sharp. Ball comes to the left. Ne? Sharp. Stop ala. When I say Duplessis is not a winger, ne? There is space between him and the winger, ne? But because he's not a proper winger and he doesn't want to lose the ball and he's not confident, he's not going to trap the ball like this. Bese afisa he defend, right? He'll always play ibola emuva when there's someone close by. I'm told. Then again, you have Undlovu. Undlovu is a good player, but he needs coaching. He's supposed to be here because Magala, he's closing down his space for Shabalala, right? And Maguso, we can't play the ball here. We definitely can't play the ball here. Instead of good Abela, then go in a space la. Then if we had a proper winger, then we could play the ball inside. But because everyone is not doing the basics, goalkeeper, then what happens is you cannot pass someone on umuntu already. Yeah, umuntu already. There was a defender laphaya akumele pass on the right hand side. Pass. Decide ukwenzani kahle ibhola phambili, we lose the ball. Nacha. Free kick ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Ne? Free kick ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Ugcwele esayidini la right. Let's ngidlale and then zoyibuyisela emuva. Yeah, I know. We lose the ball. The spacing between the center back, it is alarming. It's a free kick. He's not opening up. Instead of good to cross, I'm telling good move. Then he moves. Like no. Bafuna ukhlala bagcwele la. Angeke sikhona bafethu. Hayi. Sharp bayadlala. Ukunyika does well here. Siyaphuma, siphumile. Then Sharp. Watch his run, ne? He's not running ngachufuni ball. He's going to run azela. But it's not like we are funi ball. The ball goes there, but look at him. Wonke umuntu uzala. Right? Undlovu should be running here as well. If he goes there, kuvuleki space. If he goes there, kuvuleki space. Oh, azela. Just to cover. Remember, it's double pivot. So the left back is moving forward. Then the center back needs to come here because Umikael is very far. Right? Umikael is very far. But what happens? We don't play the ball here. We don't play the ball here. We decide to do what? Move. Then shy bridge. Arjali challenge. If you are still watching Buffett, please subscribe. It's free. It's mahala. Mahali Sharp. Throw in. This guy was Chalugu Twister. Pass the ball. Pass the ball, my man. Sugar. Watch, Solomons is dragging this guy, right? Pass the ball. There's still time. Pass the ball so that we can move. I don't know what are you looking for here, because you're not going to play the ball there. Yeah? Now this guy we are Sondela says Usfaga under pressure. After passing the ball, you don't open up. You don't open up. We are telling him to pass the keep, but still you are not opening up. Why are you not opening up? And Uvuma only passes to the left hand side. Left hand side. Angeke umbona pass ibhola ngala laphaya. Angazi ikhanda lakhe nalisebenza kanjani. We lose the ball. sharp sizolwina. Le nto yakamiguel not wanting to open for the ball is a problem. Nondlovu naye, Nondlovu. Ash. There is a lot of problems for Chiefs, Buffett, for Chiefs to win the league again. You think about the team that last won the league. Ne? You had people that wanted to come and play. You had Morgan Gold, proper defenders, Abu Masilela, Abu Spio Shabalal. You are not going to win with the league with players Abaso. Come and get the ball. Open up here. Quick, fast. Open up here. Space. I don't know Uti Papaseban because Usolomon's there. Begano Muntu. Open up here. Banna. Bafethu. Kusasekude. When you start the ball, good goal kick, you need to know what you are doing. You don't just start the ball because everyone is starting the ball short passes. No, you need to know what you are doing. And remember I said good, the best players, not even the best, the greatest players in the world, they will pass the ball to a player, Magal receiver. That player's got more than one option. They know bona seba scanile bayenze everything. When you won't realize it, but watch here. A goal kick your Chiefs, right? Umika Susile wapasa upavuma, right? Sharp. His movement is not saying I want the ball. You cannot put equal kick, pass goal kick, and then you are moving slightly forward. No, you have to move slightly back. Because there's different, if who's a pambil, and then what's going to happen here? Now, upavuma, right? Instead of passing here, watch what he does. It is 3 against 4, but still, we don't make the right decision. There was no player close to Ukros. As a keeper, you can see, petty view emnandi. Instead of passing to the left, you are passing to the right. I don't know for what. Or maybe you only pass to the left. Aridlali Challenge. This is a professional setup. Aridlali Challenge Simu. You'll always see players abacabanga ukuthi sidlala i-challenge. Number 1, owner udlala challenge. Move to the space here. Move to the space here. He doesn't. He's still waiting. Then watch what he does. Rapasana, pass, fetch, here. Abafethu. One last clip, Besenya Ivala. I'm only doing the first half against Durban City. Goal kick, ibola lisuswe uKwinyika, right? Sharp. Oh, this guy thinks this guy is. Hey, let me take it back. Problem. You get the ball. You get the ball here. Move straight here. Don't go in the middle. Why are you going in the middle? In the middle for who? For what? Why uyale? Iya straight you saw. Hey. We are packet nindow. We are moving when. Why? And you cannot be calling I'm a player with come and get the ball. No. I'll tell you why, guys. There are players that when you say come and get the ball, mabeza, they because they are brilliant, they are great. They know what to do. They'll minus a player or they'll do something brilliant. But there are players who don't know. That's why they are not coming for the ball. So not every player is good waza. And to show you Guti, they don't know what they are doing. Right? You are not supposed to be calling. Automatically, when he has the ball, someone needs to move in a position. Scripted plays, scripted movements. Eh? Hey. Then watch. Steering. I have a faith. Okay, steering. You pass the ball to the keeper, then you have to move. Steering. He doesn't move. Oh Lord, Father God. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh God. Ow, bafethu. Ay. Sharp. Sesimcriticizile angithi. Sharp. Now, goalkeeper. Yaltrapa. Eish. Ibhola liyeza. Decision making. The ball is coming from the left. Yeah, your first touch, angithi ulitrapile, and then you had time was your pass. So think about ukuthi if ulitrapile, walitrapela ngapha, then bekazokhona ukuphasa ukwinyika. But because he doesn't know what to do naye, uyalitrapa liza la. Decision making, we have to think early. Ibhola liyeza, you done. Okay, he doesn't do that. This guy is supposed to move here. He didn't move. If he moves here, this guy, if Uzala, or if he's slightly towards his left, then it's gonna be easy for Uvuma to pass him the ball. But because he's here, it becomes very difficult to pass the ball. Remember what I said, the best players, they pass a player as of an option. He decides to pass him the ball. But now, what option does he have? Because ubhekane namapalo wakhe. This, okay, boy tuba bhekane namapalo, but this guy has an option to pass here. This pass would have been a better decision, a better pass. This one would have been a better pass, right? Because there is a free option here. This was a very dangerous pass. Even Nale is over dangerous. But at least this guy has an option on the left. This guy does not have an option. I repeat, put Aiden McCarthy there. Adlale noKwinyika. Please, bafethu. Ngiyakhala. I'm not even a Chiefs fan, but ngiyakhala. I'm crying. Miguel is a karateka. He's bafethu. Please subscribe, bafethu. You can also become a member. A member is 15 rand. Just subtract imali PA1 only, just for the month. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.